creating an action plan. Every audit has 3 steps, all of which need to be completed before the audit as a whole will be marked as complete. These steps are answering the audit questions, creating an action plan or confirming that no actions are required, and finally authorising the audit. It's important that all 3 steps are completed. Until the audit is authorised, it will still be classed as outstanding. Once you've answered all the questions within your audit, you next need to either create your action plan or confirm that no actions are required. From within your audit, if you've not already done so, click Complete Audit against the first audit step. We can now see that the action plan step has become active. If you scored 100% on your audit, then no actions are required, and you will now see an option to select Action Plan Complete. Select this option to confirm that the audit is ready to be authorised. Remember, the audit isn't complete until it has been authorised. If you didn't score 100% on your audit, you'll need to create an action plan. To do this, click Action Plan against the second audit step. A list of all the questions where there are areas for improvement is now displayed. You will need to create an action for each of the questions listed here. It may be that a single action will cover more than one question listed, or you may need to create an action per question. To create your first action, select the question that the action will cover, click Create New Action Plan Item, and enter the details for the action. Who will the action be assigned to? Do you want to send them an email to notify them that they've been assigned an action? And select the date by which the action must be completed. And of course, we need to enter the details for the action, what actually needs to be done. You can filter your actions using tags. This is useful when you're looking at organisation-wide actions and you want to be able to filter on different action categories. To add a tag, simply select from the drop-down list, or type a new tag if the one you need is not available. Do be aware, any tags you create will be available for all users in the system to select moving forward, so please check with your system administrator before creating any new tags. Once you're happy with the information, click Save. We're now taken back to the Areas for Improvement screen. We can also see the action code listed to the right-hand side of the question. Continue to create actions by selecting the next evidence question listed and clicking Create Action Item. You may wish to link your question to an existing action, rather than creating a new and potentially duplicate action. To do this, select the action that you wish to link the audit question to and click Link to Selected Item. Once we've created an action for each of our evidence questions, we can now complete the action plan step of our audit by clicking Action Plan Complete. If the Action Plan Complete button is not appearing for you, you've not created an action against each of your evidence questions. If this is the case, click back on Action Plan and follow the steps we've just covered. Remember, your audit's still not yet complete. An audit is not complete until it's been authorised. This may be a step that's been assigned to you, or it may be a step that's been assigned to another user.